Critical library mismatch involving the WIM Provider Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. Before the technical guide for WIM Provider Library, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the WIM Provider Library, the WMI WIM Provider module. It facilitates the unmanaged management of Windows image.wm files through the WMI Windows Management Instrumentation interface. It manages the orchestration of image metadata manifests, allowing administrative tools to query and modify compressed system images. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Because WIM Provider Library DLL is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scannow from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including WIM Provider Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the System Hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Remember that manual replacement of WIM Provider Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If WIM Provider Library is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored WIM Provider Library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.